it's me again, Tommy Lee, out here at the Kinahan Creek claim site. We're going to make episode 4 today, but instead of panning, we're going to do a little fishing. It's a beautiful afternoon, starting to get just a little bit of cloud cover, but it's just a perfect day today. Yeah, I said afternoon, and you know, it's always been said that the early bird gets the worm, but when you're the only bird, you don't need to be the early bird. So I think we're going to do okay this afternoon. Anyway, I just wanted to show the versatility of these adventure bikes. So like today, I'm doing a day of creek fishing. So I have my tackle box here. Normally this tackle box has about 3 trays, and I keep different lures for depending on what type of fish I'm going after that day. But today I just brought along my little Plano case and just a couple of Mepps Black Furies, one of my favorite lures. The white rooster tail has been also an excellent lure. These little gold leaf spinners, they're awesome. They're Lucky Strike. I think you can get them at you know, for $1 a piece or something, sometimes a little bit less. Then a few little sinkers and split shots, and you know what? That's all I need today. You know, also in here I do have some gulp imitation minnows that work quite well, and you know, the odd bobber and snelled hook and a few things. But that's basically it. Now you're asking, where's my fishing rod? Right here. I got this beautiful little telescopic fishing rod. Now, it's not a, you know, it's not anything special. This thing was probably $5 or $10 online, but I've used it a few times. I brought it to the Yukon and back with me. It holds up really well, and it does the job. Now, I also have this nice little, this one happens to be a Shakespeare. It's nothing special, but it works really well. I use this little reel. I have 2 of them. I use one for ice fishing, and anyway, they work great. So it's a nice little combo. It's easy to pack up and store. Just a real quick, you know, in the bag, in the box, and done. My lunch, a couple of cold beverages, and a dozen worms are in this bag. What else do you need? Yeah, I have a little landing net, but with these little creeks, you don't need anything like that. Let's go down there and see if we can catch one. One cast, one speck on there. I didn't bring him in, but he was nice. There, my friends, is a little Northern Ontario speckled trout. Just a baby. We'll put him back. Let's see if there's a bigger one in there. If you've seen that jump, that was either a beaver or a big trout. There's a good one. bigger. They're getting bigger. Gotcha. He got away. There is a beaver in here. All right, bud. Let's see if you can see the beaver. He's swimming right across the pond right there. He's still swimming there, back and forth. He's maybe thinking I'm in his territory. I don't know. But him and I can share this pond. There's fish to be had here. All right, little buddy. There's one. Where else can you watch a beaver swim around while you're pulling in speckled trout one after the other? Another chub. Well, if you see the difference here, oh, this little chub has a stripe all the way down him, just like a little white bass. Time to go, buddy. There's one. Oh, there he goes. Time to call it a day. That was fun. That was an awesome little hole. I'm packed up and ready to pull out, but this little guy is just still swimming around, so may as well get a little more footage. Great Canadian beaver.
Time to go.